Hey guys, so it's after the market right now, and we're gonna go over some things. Uh, okay, so first thing I wanted to go over is me getting puts for Tesla on the 936. So basically, this candle right here, what happened is I seen I seen lower lows happen. So basically, the box looked like this, and it was just getting lower. Uh, I was very impatient on this level and didn't wait for the break of 316.49 or 316.50. That would have been a better entry. I could have even waited a little bit lower over here for 316. Would have been even a better entry. Would have had a higher probability for today. Uh, I rushed into the play. Shouldn't have done so, and ended up losing $100 on that play for Tesla. Got in. I like to play Tesla. I understand how it moves and what it does. So I ended up sizing up on my next position from 10 contracts to 30 contracts at 940.23. So basically, uh, I seen this whole wick happen over here. Solid close at this level, which is I'd say 318. So I knew it was holding this level. So got in at the entry of over here, which was I got 320 calls, got filled for $404 a contract. Uh, got 30 calls and rode this move up until the 321 level. Sold at 342.06. So basically 2 minutes into this, and I'll pull up the 1 minute chart right now to give you guys a better understanding of what was going on. Uh, okay. This is why I don't like to look at uh, at the 1 minute. Too much choppiness. You can't really tell what's going on. So I got in at 940 for this. Looked pretty strong and got out at 942. So one, two, this candle right here. Uh, with the implied volatility, had a nice push. Uh, on the 5 minute, it was showcasing that it was over here. Had some price action going down. Didn't like it too much on the 5 minute. Thinking about it right now, I could have held longer. I'm trying to think of why I didn't. I think there was a lot of choppiness at the 319.50 level. As you guys can see, there's choppiness right here and a lot of fake outs. Uh, there was some sort of resistance over there. Next candle opened, and this could have been an easy move, but the markets were very choppy, so just got out. Definitely, I'm looking at my fills here. Got back in at when was this? 9:43. Got back in at 9:43, which was right here. Got back out at 9:45, which was this candle. And this candle, basically, I seen this happening right here, couldn't make a new high. So literally got out at the top. So caught this move from here to here twice. And yeah, basically caught this whole move up here. It was a very easy play to understand. Still played Tesla again. Sold that. Now I'm switching over to Baba because I took a small 10 contract position on Baba. What was it? Baba Coles. Let me see here. Okay. So what happened? Okay. At 10:02, because there was an ISM report at 10 a.m. So I was waiting for that to happen. And once that happened, uh, I could have seen where the markets, like what the market was doing, and the market was selling off from the beginning of the day, and uh, it just held that level. Obviously, now that I'm thinking about it, this was a very dumb play because I shouldn't have. I don't like going against the market. If the whole market's going down, why is this stock going up? I mean, yeah, it did have some upgrades and stuff like that today, but really, it was a bad play on my end. And I was looking at 183 for the break of 183. Uh, Basically got a nice fake out. There was a lot of, I didn't see it. I should have seen it sooner, but there was about 140 1,400 shares trying to be sold at 183 and 20 cents. I should have calculated that play earlier. Didn't see it happening. Got in uh, at the break of 183.1. Then it pushed up very quickly, then sold off. Uh, and that was a bad play on my end. Lost $90. Went in small. Uh, Now we're gonna go back to Tesla. Definitely made a few mistakes on Tesla. TASLA. Okay, so Tesla. Uh, so I got Baba Tesla at 1022. 1022, so it should be in this area. Okay, so I got uh, 10 Tesla calls over here, right? And this same thing happened. It was a fake out. I really like the setup. It pushed up. Volume was getting a little. It was increasing a little bit. Um, it was taking a nice break over here before this critical level of 321, but the volume just wasn't there and got rejected at this level and pushed down. And let's see, did I lose anything? No, I read it on the level two. Made about $100 on that play. It was a very easy play to read, and yeah. And the final play of the day with Tesla again is, well, there's actually two final plays. I got 320 puts, 320 puts. Okay. I got 320 puts at 1025, which is right here. I like the move down, uh, and got out at 1026. I got out at 1026.32. So this was a 1 minute scout play. Liked it. Didn't see too much volume over here. Level two, there was definitely some buyers sitting flashing over here at the 319.30 levels. Didn't like it too much. And that was a 50 contract play. Made about, on that play, made about 5 cents on the contract. So basically, it was $50 times 50 shares. You could calculate how much that is. Uh, and that's why I got out, and I got back in for 1027 this play. I got 320 puts and got out at 1031. This was a longer hold. I could see this holding, creating like a square like formation right here, and I'll show you guys on the 5 minute time frame. But I could see this happening. Uh, just very a lot of choppiness, a lot of choppiness, and my emotions kicked in with this green candle very quickly. And if I would have waited just one more minute, I would have been way more profitable on the day. But just overall, didn't like the choppiness of the market. I was already up. I was up 20 cents per contract on that last play over here, and ended up just getting out. If I would have waited, I mean, yeah, it would have been a nice play, but this happened, and just too much choppiness for me today, and yeah, that's one of the reasons I got out. And let's look at the 5 minute daily, and you guys will have a better understanding of what I'm talking about. Uh, 1027, 1027, 1025. So around this general area, I seen the stock take a break right here, right? And this move was very didn't like it too much. Uh, 1031, I got out. So in between here and somewhere around here, around this bar, I played it. It pushed down to this level, got out. If I really wanted to, I could have waited, but it would have messed up my premiums. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. That's the recap. Definitely a lot of good plays on Apple. I heard there was a lot of good plays on Roku today. If you guys have any questions about what I'm talking about, please just leave it in the Discord in the questions tab, and I'll definitely love to answer it in the next video. Take care, guys.